in all of our education, few of us are taught how to make the best use of our body, brain, and all its capabilities. Our inner world is generally ours alone. Neuroscience shows us that our human nervous system is the most complex thing in the universe yet discovered. Some 100 billion nerve cells, neurons, and around 1,000 trillion synapses that connect these cells into a vast mesh of networks. No wonder it's so easy to find ourselves distracted or confused by our own behaviors. I am deeply passionate about focusing because it gives us the how. As we learn to communicate with our own bodies, to slow down and authentically listen without judgment, we become our own self-mentor. Priceless is the appreciation we feel back from our bodies for showing up like this. This is what drives me. More authentic relational experiences with other people, with the whole world around me. Practicing these skills from wherever you start brings more moments of open, flowing, alive connection into your daily life. The potentials are endless. You are following your body. It might take you down a common human network, like learning what it really means to take care of your aging body, or speaking your authentic voice into the world. Focusing might also take you down a network few others travel. Here you'll find a community that supports you on your unique journey. Remember, the human nervous system is more complex than the entire universe yet discovered. I really believe that we have the potential to solve our current problems and to do things greater than we can imagine. It all begins with showing up. I am here to help you reconnect or go further than you can on your own. We are in this together, and I'm happy to support you. I'm Sandy Jummy Berg, a coordinator for the International Focusing Institute. Thank you.